Hello dear fans. How to find the dew point. To find the dew point, take some of the air into a vessel, preferably a glass one, seal it tightly and begin to cool. At the moment when the steam begins to condense in it, take the thermometer reading. This will be the dew point. The dew point for a given relative humidity can be obtained using calculations. Necessary. For measurements, take a glass-sealed vessel, a psychrometric table, a dew point table, 2 identical thermometers. Instructions. Step 1. Dew point determination by observation. Take a sample of air into a glass vessel and seal it tightly. Place this vessel in the refrigerator while controlling the temperature in it. At the moment when the vapor in the vessel condenses, turning into a liquid state, dew will fall out. Take the thermometer reading. This will be the dew point for a particular air sample. Step 2. Dew point calculation. Determine the relative humidity of the air. To do this, take 2 identical thermometers. It is better to take mercury. Wrap a bubble of one of them with gauze, which then moisten abundantly with water. Wait a few minutes and take thermometer readings. Wet bulb temperature will be lower or the same as dry bulb temperature. Find the temperature difference between dry and wet bulb thermometers. Step 3. Find the relative humidity using the psychrometric table. To do this, find the dry bulb reading in the leftmost column. In the top row of the table, find the temperature difference between dry and wet thermometers. At the intersection of these values in the table, there will be a value of relative humidity in percent. After knowing the relative humidity, use the dew point table to find the density of the saturated vapor at that temperature. Step 4. Dry bulb temperature can be used. Then find the real density of water vapor in the air. To do this, multiply the relative humidity value by the saturated vapor density and divide by 100%, ρ equals phi rho n/100%. In the dew point table, find the temperature for which the given water vapor density is saturated. This will be the desired value. Thanks for watching.